If you do want to see what I eat, I regularly post my meals on my Instagram page. Okay guys, so that's boy number 1. So I'm here in Sydney now. I kind of really miss Aussie. In the last vlog I said you guys don't comment enough. The only time I see you guys comment is when you guys complain. And then all of a sudden, a whole bunch of you guys just commented and just like showed us love. Morning sunshine! So I made breakfast. It's Saturday today. This is mine. I just got some parmesan cheese and 2 slices of bacon, 2 eggs, and a handful of spinach. We got bacon. I got them scrambled eggs. This is Aussie's favorite. Some cake we burnt last night. And then that's last night's dinner leftovers. It's all happening. Better. Aussie's gone to the gym, guys, so he'll be here soon. We got Darnell's game later today, but a lot of you guys congratulated me and said how well I'm doing on keto, so thank you so much. If you do want to see what I eat, I regularly post my meals on my Instagram page, which is itsmrskey.2 keto. That's the idea of it. But basically it's low carbs, very low carbs, and no sugar. I've also got my own YouTube channel by myself, which is Victoria Health and Beauty, which you can find the link in the description below. Morning guys, we're on our way to Darnell's game now. Finished having breakfast.
What's up guys? It's your boy Joe China. We're back with another video. With your boy Georgie and your girl Snacky.
So we're here at Nell's game now. He's playing pretty well. He's all the way over there. It's so far, like they sit at the bar, the Malay, but like where we're standing is so far. I can't even see that well.
What's up guys? It's your boy Georgie.
Super proud of Darnell. He scored 4 tries, guys. 4 tries he did.
Yeah. Good game done now. We don't know what to do, but we're going back to the mall and have a little walking around there. And after that, going to have something to eat.
Yo. So messy. Why does this door always open? It's so weird. Yeah, we're going for a walk to the shops because I'm making bai tonight. It is 5:15 and I've got my shoes on. Look at our goodies here. Aussie, you told me to hurry up and now you're just sitting there. We're back from our walk now, guys. We went and got some things to make bai. I got my pastry there. I'm about to put it in. I've already done one, but I want to put them in together so they cook at the same time. Also bought a pizza from the shop to cook, and Mir is serving. And of course, Aussie. Where's Aussie?
Aussie is playing a game.
Yep, all the time. Vilila yo isa mo ya church's pizza. Wako yo pie fikiringa leo.
One way, the one wow. You see me?
So we go Malaya ay sino nila ko pizza.
Yeah, I want to sit down and have them tell.
Guys, so we finished doing the bai. I'm just trying to cool it down before my parents come and pick it up. This one's theirs. Let me just take this off. Okay guys, so that's buy number 1. That's buy number 1 for my parents. They're gonna come and pick it up. So let me put it in the fridge. Guys, so the buy's done. I just cut it. My only regret is that I didn't cook the pastry a little longer to make it more crispier, but that's okay. We're on our way to church now. Check it, check it, check it. I can't show you guys. Aussie, look at your fat mouth. This guy will eat all of our bite.
Yeah. Today is Sunday, so we're coming to church, and now I'm going to the shop to get some money out. And today I'm gonna say Happy Independence Day to Samoa. Yesterday they celebrate our 57, I think, 57 anniversary. Happy Independence Day Samoa. Và mình vui chú lên ngăn Samoa i Samoa. Mà lắm và mình vui lên mình chú non ngăn Samoa.
Hey guys, we got a full house. Us, Dad, Becca, Mom, Mia. What? And Big Man. Guys, so my mom came over and played and made pancakes, and I'm making pai boko, and I made pai yesterday. So my mom's pancakes. We got coco. Yeah. Also, he's making some lamb thing. I got my dough rising. So I got my bunny pops here. I've just let them rise for a bit. I've got that one in there. And oh, my camera. Now these are going to go in the oven at 160 degrees for about, until they're cooked, I don't know how long. Maybe 30 minutes. Okay guys, one tray's demolished. I packed this for my sister, that's her bai. And one more tray. Good evening guys, and welcome back to our vlog. So it's Thursday today, and it's about 9ish, and I'm making more bai. I know, right? And I'm going to Sydney tomorrow with my parents, because as you guys know, or I don't know if you guys know, Darnell made it to under 12 Brumbies. So we are going to, well, I am going to Sydney. I am going to Sydney with my parents tomorrow, straight after work. So I'm just making the custard now. That's what we had for dinner. It was curried sausages. Some other stuff. I made a keto cheeseburger casserole, which Aussie's almost devoured. We've got our pies there, and this one is cooked. Guys, so we've got our pies now. That one and that one. Oh, we totally forgot to film it because we were so hungry for it. Mia ate this whole thing. Hey guys. Is it blurry? Hold on. So it's just me here. I look like a boy right now. We're going to Darnell's game, and we just stopped off at the first petrol station on the way to Sydney, and my parents are hungry, so I'm gonna go inside and eat. So I'm here in Sydney now in an Airbnb my brother rented. Initially it was meant to be my parents and them, but I'm chauffeuring my parents around, and I kind of really miss Aussie. That's my bed you see there just behind me, because there wasn't enough room. So, and I just miss Aussie. It's 10:15 right now, and I feel like this is really cloudy. That's better. It's a Friday. I'm in the middle of editing, and you're probably watching this the next day, so this will be yesterday. So guys, I'm gonna call it a night, but before I do, I just want to give a massive shout out on behalf of Siaosi and I to everyone who responded. In the last vlog, I said you guys don't comment enough. The only time I see you guys comment is when you guys complain. And then all of a sudden, a whole bunch of you guys just commented and just like showed us love. I'm just like so grateful for you guys. I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much. We love you guys so much. Honestly, you guys do not know how much you guys mean to us. So I just want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We love you guys so much. God bless you guys, and we'll see you guys next time. SV Squad signing out.